Working out at home is one of the easiest ways to get started with fitness. You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or experience. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple beginner workout and show you exactly how to do each exercise, step by step. Your goal as a beginner is not to train hard. Your goal is to learn good form and build a habit. Even 10 minutes a day is enough, if you stay consistent. Train 3 days per week. Each session should last around 20 to 30 minutes. Rest days help your body recover and grow stronger. Warm up. Arm circles. Stand tall. Extend your arms out to the sides. Slowly make small circles forward for 15 seconds, then backward for 15 seconds. Keep circles. Place your hands on your hips. Gently rotate your hips in circles, 10 times in each direction. Main workout. Exercise 1. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back like you're sitting on a chair. Bend your knees and lower your body. Keep your chest up and back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up.
Exercise 2. Push-ups.
Place your hands on the floor slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the floor. Push yourself back up. If this is too hard, drop your knees to the floor and repeat the same movement. Exercise 3. Lunges. Step 1 foot forward. Lower your back knee toward the floor. Both knees should be bent at about 90 degrees. Push through your front heel to return. Switch legs. Exercise 4. Plank. Place your forearms on the floor. Keep your body straight like a board. Squeeze your core and glutes. Don't let your hips drop. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks. Start standing with your feet together. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to starting position. Rest for 1 minute. Then repeat the entire circuit 2 more times. This simple plan is all you need for your first month. Take a fixed time. Track your workouts. Lay out your clothes ahead of time. Everyone starts somewhere. Progress comes from patience. Start today. Even 5 minutes counts. Your future self will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to reach more people like you.